Hi students, welcome to your channel MRNS Education and Social Service. Dear students, previous class లో differential equations గురించి different models discuss చేయడం జరిగింది. Now very important model limit as a sum. One question mains లో రావడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. అలాగే కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో ఈ లిమిట్ యాజ్ సమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ రావచ్చు. Limit as sum. See, limit n tends to infinity 1 by n. This is the limit. Sigma is sum. Limit as sum. So limit n tends to infinity 1 by n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1. Total terms and terms. F of r by n equal to integration 0 to 1 f of x dx. ఈ లిమిట్ యాజ్ సమ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కూడా సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఏరియాస్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ 0 to 1 అంటే స్మాల్ ఇంటర్వెల్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతే టోటల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ జనరల్గా ఏమంటామంటే ఈ సిగ్మాకి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ లిమిట్ n tends to infinity అంటే ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సిరీస్ వస్తుంది. ఆ ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సిరీస్ సింపుల్గా సిగ్మా 0 to 1 ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సిరీస్ సమ్మేషన్ 1/n డిఎక్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ప్రతి ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమ్ని r/n ఫామ్లో రాయాలి. ఏ ఫామ్లో రాయాలి? r/n. ఈ r/n ప్లేస్లో x తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ 0 to n minus 1 1 to n ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. లిమిట్ n tends to infinity 1/n 1/n కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలి. సిగ్మా రన్నింగ్ ఆన్ ఆర్ లిమిట్ ఆన్ n tends to infinity. జనరల్లీ n tends to infinity 1/n tends to 0 అంటాం. 0 అంటే ఎనీథింగ్ 0, బట్ దిస్ సమ్మేషన్ ఇంటూ 1/n, ఈ సమ్మేషన్ ఈ 1/n కొన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. 1/n ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వకపోతే అప్పుడు ఆలోచించాలి. ఈ సమ్మేషన్ వాల్యూ దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 0 to 1 f of x dx. ఈ టూ ఫార్ములాస్ అప్లికేషన్ ఏవి? ఈ n-1 కి ఇంటూ k అనే నెంబర్ ఉంటే మల్టిపుల్గా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 0 to k తీసుకోవాలి. n కి మల్టిపుల్గా n ఉంటే k ఉంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 0 to k f of x dx. సో ఈ 4 ఫార్ములాస్ బేస్ చేసుకొని కొన్ని మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Okay now students, see this example. Limit n tends to infinity 1 cube by n power 4 plus 1 power 4, 2 cube by n power 4 plus 2 power 4 plus 3 cube by n power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus and so on infinity n cube by n power 4 plus n power 4. న్యూమరేటర్ వాల్యూ చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉన్నాయి. అలాగే డినామినేటర్లో సెకండ్ టర్మ్ 1 power 4, 2 power 4, 3 power 4 చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ టర్మ్ ప్లేస్ లో మనం ఇలా కూడా అడగవచ్చు స్టూడెంట్స్. n power 4 n cube by 2n power 4. n cube cancel అయిపోతే which is equal to 1/2n. So in place of this term they may give 1/2n also. First write down this summation into the general form. First, limit n tends to infinity. Take in place of changes value as r, sigma r cube by n power 4 plus r power 4. ఎక్కడైతే చేంజ్ అవుతుందో ఆ చేంజ్ అయ్యే ప్లేస్ లో r తీసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ 1 2, దట్ మీన్స్ r వాల్యూ is 1 2, లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ is n 1 to n. Recollect formula. Limit n tends to infinity 1/n sigma r equal to 1 to n f of r/n. This value equal to integration 0 to 1 f of x dx. Write down this value into this form. For that, limit n tends to infinity sigma r equal to 1 to n. Take n power 4 common. Take n power 4 common. 1 plus r power 4 by n power 4. I told you na, convert this into the form f of r by n. limit n tends to infinity. Here n power 4, take 1n outside, 1 by n, sigma r equal to 1 to n. Here we have n cube, here r cube. Combine these two like this, r by n whole cube by 1 plus r by n whole power 4. Understood? Now from this formula, in place of 1 by n dx, f of r by n place f of x, limit and sigma value is integration 0 to 1. So this is integration 0 to 1, x cube by 1 plus x power 4, r by n place lo x rayali, into dx. My dear students, its derivative is 4x cube. Multiply and divide with 4, integration 0 to 1, 4x cube by 1 plus x power 4 dx. F of x f dash, 3 by 9 formula, log of f of x 1 plus x power 4, limits 0 to 1. Substitute upper limit 1 by 4 log of, in place of x substitute upper limit 1 power 4 1, 1 plus 1 2, log 2. Substitute lower limit minus log 1, 1 by 4 into log 1 is 0, which is equal to 1 by 4 log 2. This is the answer. Next question, students. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n square secant square 1 by n square plus 2 by n square secant square 4 by n square plus 3 by n square secant square 9 by n square plus and so on 1 by n secant square 1. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, యాంగిల్లో డినామినేటర్ n స్క్వేర్ ఉంది ఈచ్ టర్మ్ లో, బట్ ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది, అంటే ఇక్కడ n స్క్వేర్ బై n అని రాయాలి. సి లిమిట్ n tends to infinity 1 by n square, we take it as 1 square. No, we take 1 by n square. Secant square of 1 by n square, take it as 1 square. 2 by n square, secant square of 2 square by n square. Here 4 can be taken as 2 square. 3 by n square, secant square of 3 square by n square, like this and so on. 1 by n secant square of n square by n square. Now students, we write it as general term form, sigma r equal to 1 to n, because 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here also n square, we write down here n by n square, because here denominator is n square. See, you take r by n square secant square of r square by n square. This is the changed value. This position is the changed value. Here 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, r square. Dear students, r by n form, this formula r by n form, take 1 by n outside of sigma 1 by n, sigma r equal to 1 to n. మనకు 1 by n ఫార్మ్ ఉండాలి కదా. సో r by n ఉండాలి, r by n స్క్వేర్ ఉండకూడదు. Secant square of this is r by n whole square. Now integration 0 to 1, in place of 1 by n take dx. Here is x into secant square of x square dx. Students, let be x square as a t in our mind. X square t anukunte 2x dx dt. So multiply with 2, integration 0 to 1, secant square of x 2x dx. 2 to getting cancelled, x into secant square x, same term. When you take x square t, this is dt. Integration of secant square t, tan t, limits 0 to 1. Now substitute upper limit tan 1 1 by 2 into tan 1 minus tan 0. Tan 0, 0. Answer is 1 by 2 tan 1. Now students, in this type, here there is no summation form. In previous questions, we have plus terms, but here is no. But he wants limit n tends to infinity n factorial by n power n whole power 1 by n. Dear students, first of all, let it be this value as some constant, say p. P equal to n factorial by n power n whole power 1 by n. Dear students, n factorial meaning is 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on n. Product is there. 1 into 2 into product. Please remember product. So product ఉన్నప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా మనం ప్రోడక్ట్ని సమ్మేషన్లోకి మార్చుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే సిగ్మా అనే ఫామ్ ఉండాలి ఫార్ములాలో. సి n ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ని 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on n by n power n. Write down 1n in denominator of 1, another n in denominator of 3, 2, 3, like this n into n square into n cube and so on n whole power 1 by n. My dear students, when you apply log x power n becomes n into log x base e or base a. Product becomes plus log x plus log y. If you have 3 terms, 3 logs summation, 4 log summation. So apply log base e on both sides. We get log p base e equal to, when you apply log, this power becomes product log of this value into this value into this value. Product becomes summation log of 1 by n plus log of 2 by n plus log of 3 by n plus and so on log of n by n. Now dear friends, here we have summation log p base e equal to 1 by n sigma. We write it as log of r by n. R takes the 1 to n, 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Now here limit n tends to infinity. We consider this as a p. Apply limit on both sides. Apply limit on both sides. Limit n tends to infinity. Log p base e equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n sigma r equal to 1 to n log of r by n. Limit n tends to infinity. Limit on n, students. N in turn n including in p. So bring this limit to the inside. This value becomes log of limit n tends to infinity p base e equal to integration 0 to 1 log x dx. In place of r by n, write x. Students, integration of log x, how much? X into log x by minus 1 by using by parts formula. Log x into 1 write down and apply by parts formula. Limits are 0 to 1. When you substitute upper limit 1 minus log 1 minus 1 minus lower limit 0 into any number 0. Log 1 is 0, 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. This equal to how much? Log of limit n tends to infinity p equal to minus 1 base e. Remove log limit n tends to infinity. What is the p value? We consider here n factorial by n power n whole power n. So n factorial by n power n whole power n equal to e power minus 1, that equal to log e. Answer is e power minus 1 equal to 1 by e. Next problem, students. Limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n square, 1 plus 2 square by n square plus and so on, 1 plus n power n square by n square whole power n by n. Dear students, here we have product. So you can write directly like this. In previous problem we have e power. So let me this value as a p and apply log on both sides. So we get like this. E power limit n tends to infinity. Power value becomes 1 by n. When you apply log, it becomes summation. Summation. Starting is 1 square, 2 square like this. R equal to 1 to n. 1 plus r square by n square. My dear students, this is the way of writing direct. In previous problem, last we remove the log e power limit value. That means integration value. That integration value nothing but this. Here we have product that becomes summation when you apply log. So take log here. When you apply log of, so r equal to 1 to n. Log apply this log x plus log y plus so on, which is equal to e power integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x square dx. Dear students, here we have only log. So for by parts formula, write down 1 into 1. 1 into this value, this. Now apply by parts formula. E power f of x integration 1 x minus derivative of this 1 by 1 plus x square. Its derivative is 2x integration of 1 x dx. This is by parts formula, students. Integration 0 to 1, which is equal to e power. When you substitute limits for this only, upper limit x equal to 1. When you write 1 log 2, that is log 2. When you substitute x equal to 0, 0 into anything 0. Here integration limits 0 to 1. Bring 2 outside. 2 into x into x square by 1 plus x square. So write down x square plus 1 minus 1 x square plus 1 dx. This is log 2, students. E power log 2 minus, when you separate integration 0 to 1, this is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Now e power log 2 base a minus 2 into integration of 1 x, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x, limits 0 to 1, which is equal to e power. Substitute upper value log 2 base e minus 2 into, in place of x, if you write 1 minus tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. 1 minus pi by 4. Lower limit x is 0, tan inverse 0, 0. 0 minus 0. Students, multiply with 2. E power log 2 base e minus 2 plus pi by 2. So we may simplify that answer also according to the options. Write down like this. E power pi by 2 into e power, here we have log 2 base e minus, here is log 2 only. You may write as e square log e. According for options, e power pi square. Students, ఈ 2 ముందుకు వస్తే log e base 1 ఇది వస్తుంది. If we have minus, we write it as by log of 2 by e square base e. If bases are equal, this log term can be removed. E power pi by 2 into 2 by e square. Now answer is like this. 2 into, take e square to numerator, e power pi by 2 minus 2. We may write like this also. So according to option, students, we may take for this one as one term. ఇది వచ్చేస్తుంది e power minus 2 వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సో జాగ్రత్తగా మనం ప్లాన్ చేసుకోండి. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, జై హింద్.